Now let's practice switching back and forth between the F chord and the C chord. So let's play our F first. So first, let's make sure it's ringing. Okay. Now we'll start with our F and then do 4 strums there and then switch over to the C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now take your 3rd finger, put it on that 3rd fret of the bottom string. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to F, so the 1st finger goes on that 2nd fret of the E string. 2nd finger goes on the top fret. I'm sorry, 2nd fret of that top string. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch to C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch to F. Now what we want to do is make that transition as smooth as possible with no pauses in between. And so you'll notice I kind of keep my fingers hovering pretty close here. I don't want to, if I'm moving them far away every time, I'm going to lose a lot of time. So let's try F, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, and C, 2, 3, 4. And that's how you're going to switch it back and forth between the F and the C.